when I think of a Sicilian dish, I usually think of Alla Norma. Hello, I'm Matteo and this is Nicholas, and Nicholas is coming to us from Visit Sicily on Instagram and lives here in New York City and is from Sicily. I've imported a Sicilian. I was like, okay, we should do like a cooking video together. My family's in Sicily, and so when I was a kid I was always in Sicily. So to me, when I think of a Sicilian dish, I usually think of alla norma, pasta alla norma.
Buonissimo.
And what is pasta alla norma?
Pasta alla norma is very, very simple. It's like a tomato sauce, eggplant, and just a little bit of ricotta salata on top.
It's something that everyone can make at home.
Yeah, it's easy. We're gonna show you how to make it.
What if someone's like, what if I want vodka sauce?
Oh, no.
So we have our tomatoes, we have basil, we have an eggplant. Hey boys. We have our pasta. Today we're using fusilli, no?
Fusilli, yeah.
And then we have olive oil and...
Olive oil, only good product.
Let's start. So take us through what we do first.
Okay, now first we're gonna cut the tomato. We're gonna slice the eggplant. We're gonna start by cooking the tomato in a pan with basil and garlic. Good ingredients, very important to make a good pasta, you know?
Okay, so we're cutting up our tomatoes.
Yeah, I bought good tomato and I went to Italy, you know, Italy has the best products, you know.
Anyways. All right, so we're using garlic. Watch New York kitchen. How high? Medium?
I put high. You can
Put it high? Okay.
You know, a lot of basil. Basil is important. Tagliamo le melenzane.
Well, I've heard
eggplant.
I've heard that
melenzane. Before. Melenzane, it's very typical Sicilian.
Yeah.
You will find melenzane everywhere.
And usually Sicilians are about that size. Just throwing it out there. Look, this is a comedy show, people. Just look, the tomatoes are cooking.
Eggplant is a really big things in Sicily, you know. Slice it.
Is it good to cut it really thin like that?
Because it's easier to cook, you know. If you go too thick, then they were never gonna cook. This is like, you know, you put on top after. Okay, you can put some olive oil in the pan. I think that's fine, yeah.
That smells so fucking good. This is also kind of nice because usually I'm the one cooking, so now I just have someone cooking for me. I'm just sort of guiding it along. Yeah, I want to go to Sicily. We have to go to Sicily together.
Yeah, oh my god, it'd be fun.
Ma quando lo vai in Sicilia quest'estate?
Ci andrò penso verso giugno-luglio.
Vai in giugno perché vado in giugno.
No, in June and July, I think it's the best. We do like a little of cubes and also slice. Slice we put on top after, and this it goes into the sauce.
Don't burn yourself, Chris. Almost looks like apple, doesn't it?
I think they're fine. Now we can put these two, little by little. Or not like that. A little bit more, but not deep fry it. You know, not just put it on.
Yeah, you just want to cook it, get it nice and crispy. I miss Sicily. If you go to Rome, obviously Rome and Naples have very different food from each other, but also different than Sicily. It's hard to explain to Americans, like, it's a different culture.
You have eggplant and swordfish, pesce spada, and menta, mint, and cherry tomato.
Oh, cherry tomatoes are so good. Should I get up the machine to blend?
Yeah, get ready the machine. Yeah.
Smells really good in this kitchen, by the way.
Un poco di sale.
Pepe.
Un po' di pepe. Un po' di pepe. You know?
Sì.
We have a piece of plates with that. Yeah. That's how my mom taught me, like, you know. Mm-hmm. You put in a napkins so the oil is absorbed a little bit.
Un giorno che spero che noi possiamo avere una cucina normale.
Una cucina più grande?
Sì, perché adesso è difficile ricucinare, parlare, registrare.
Sì. Lo togliamo perché c'è il centro di pomodoro.
Ma anche perché ci sono i pomodori, non brucia l'aglio, no?
No, non brucia l'aglio, no. The garlic doesn't not burn, you know. It cooks slightly together with the tomato and give a taste. Le melenzane, un po' qua. The secret, my mom told me, put some eggplant and blend with the tomato and the garlic, and it looks like there's cream or butter, but there is not, because actually the eggplant will make it become like orange. You will see now. Just a little bit, just a few pieces of eggplant on it. That's it.
Like Kraft macaroni and cheese?
Just a little bit of eggplant and you blend all together.
Should we put the tomatoes in?
Yeah, we
Here, fai that in.
Vai Matteo, vai.
Aspetta. Ok, va bene.
Mette il doco, infila. Ecca il doco. Ecca il doco. Like throw on it. Ecca.
Questa è siciliana,
È siciliano, Un po' più di olio.
Pronto?
Let's blend it, yeah.
All right, thank you.
See how it comes out.
Let's see NutriBullet. Oh God, hold on, wait. Oh wow.
Wow, look. Looks like a vodka sauce.
I know, it looks so good.
It looks like a vodka sauce. fine. It's fine.
Good? Okay. And that's it?
And that's it.
Alright.
Look at the color.
I know, it's so beautiful. It looks...
I love the color. That's the color.
Guys, I swear I go to the gym. I can't get it off.
No, it's because our ends is like
Oily?
oily.
Do you think they go through this on like porno sets? Like no one can open anything afterwards? What if we can't get it out? What if this is it? I'm the one who goes to the gym. I should be able to...
Where?
I can't get it! This has never happened before.
Find a way.
Imagine we've lost...
We're losing like the one eggplant.
Oh, we can also just break it. Please don't hurt yourself. This is gonna make great video content. Come funziona? Maybe like a old shirt or something. This is fucking insane. I mean, I don't know what to do. We're gonna just have to break it. This is crazy. All right. Chris, don't film this.
No, really?
Stop filming for a second.
No.
I feel like we have to break it. There's no way to open it. Quanti siciliani ci vuole di aprire? Oh my God. I think there's something with the heat.
You think it was the heat?
Yeah.
But I always do with the heat too. He says here, never blend hot liquids or foods.
Is that what it says? There you go.
Something happened.
Yeah?
The hair came out.
Yay!
We made it!
We made it!
Oh my God!
Matteo, prova.
Oh, okay.
No, non penso che coppa.
Oh, it's really good.
Buono?
Yeah. Mettiamo l'acqua per questo di fare la pasta? Ora che ci sono pomodorini. Non avevo bisogno di più. Well, we got it. We have tools out here. It's like home improvement. We have to wait for the pasta to boil.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so should I clean up right now then?
Let's clean up a little bit.
Yeah. I still can't believe that you were able to open it.
Guarda. Guarda
we
qua. Perfect. It's cooked.
And there was a moment I didn't think we were gonna get it out.
So you love Rome so much, right?
Sì, mi piace Roma, mi piace tutta l'Italia. Però senti, io ho un gruppo degli amici a Roma che sono come amici qui a New York e loro sono comici e loro lavorano nello stesso mondo che lavoro io. Però è strano perché in Italia siamo italiani, parliamo italiani,
bello,
però
bello.
con Francesco Di Caro che non possiamo parlare di un'altra cosa che nessun altro capisce.
Quello del caffè?
Sì, caffè. Mi piace Roma perché ce l'ho, è il mio cuore, diciamo.
C'hai gli amici.
Sta a Roma perché ce l'ho tutti i miei amici. Però, senti che sono siciliano, quando ero piccolo ogni estate che sono andato a Sicilia, sono stato per tutte le estate. Ma anche io sono studiato in Umbria per 5 mesi perché io ho fatto dipingere. Allora, noi siamo quasi pronti.
I love the fusilloni.
This is my mom's favorite pasta.
It's the shape, like, you know, big. I like more because there's also fusilli, like the smaller version.
Yeah, puoi aprirlo?
Apriamo.
E ce l'ho, scissors.
Apriamo.
Yeah, does this open? This isn't gonna open either. So another thing Italians do is, as we're talking about food and making food, we're discussing the next meal.
Oh, yes.
Let's put our salt in. What do you think of people that cut their pasta?
Oh.
This makes me the most, like they get it at the restaurant and they start cutting it with a knife.
Why? It's just, oh, it's like pappardelle. I see people with cut pappardelle. Why you cut pappardelle?
I was with my cousin Brian. My cousin Brian and I were at Ribalta. The woman next to us ordered, they had pasta alla pomodoro. Really good, like they really try and make it fresh and like Italy. And she gets it and it's such a beautiful, she goes, oh, it's wonderful. And she cuts it.
Oh,
and
no.
I almost lost my mind.
Siamo pronti?
Yep.
Ci siamo? Sai come diciamo in siciliano? Si dice anche in italiano, però. Al dente. 8 minuti.
8 minuti.
8 minuti al dente. Always pasta al dente. Never overcook. Don't overcook the pasta.
It's so funny that like there's so many different languages in Italy.
Yeah.
But like even in the north, like the Venetian dialect is so crazy. Sei sicuro?
Sì.
Perché fa caldo.
Un altro po'.
Quanti?
Un po' a little bit more.
Poi...
Mettilo qua. Vai. Siamo pronti?
Sì.
Ok.
Even the smell of just pasta, I fucking love. It's like a facial.
Ora sì. Guarda qua. It looks like a vodka sauce, but it's not a vodka sauce.
And we were able to get it out.
Yeah. A little pasta inside. So we get all you know, we get all the sauce.
Oh, that's smart.
Right? You put it inside.
I never thought of doing that.
Now you know. Now you know. Look.
Pasta water.
Yeah, pasta water, you know. Like nice and creamy. You see? My mom always said, olive oil, you know, on like when the pasta almost ready, it's very important.
It's great.
It looks good, right? And we didn't put no cheese,
Nope.
no butter,
No
and
cream.
no cream. And as it goes, we cook a little bit more with the pasta.
Doesn't look good, Chris.
Yeah, now you can get 2 plates or 3 plates. Get 3 plates.
Yep.
Maybe needs to cook.
Yeah.
Woo. Oh, Chris, we got plenty for. Fuck! I just got sauce all over me.
Ricotta salata, come la traduciamo? In inglese è ricotta salty.
Like salty ricotta.
So it's like hard, like a cheese. Okay. Then
Oh wow.
1 and 2. Put a little bit more.
Yes.
More ricotta salata. And then to finish off, always like my mom said, always a little olive oil raw, always give an extra taste. And voilà. A te l'onore.
Okay.
A te l'onore. Prendi un po' la melenzana
Sì, sì, sì.
con
la ricotta.
con la ricotta e...
Mm.
No, go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
It's so good. It's really good.
You know?
It's so good. The pasta's also cooked perfectly. I love this sauce. I'm gonna make this sauce. Well, I gotta get a new blender. But okay, ragazzi, grazie per essere venuto. Thank you so much, Nicholas. This was so good. Please follow Visit Sicily on Instagram for all your Sicilian needs. It's a page that has everything to do with Sicily, the food, the island, the beaches, the people. So we'll tag you obviously in this.
And now
so just
also
click.
recipe. Like we're gonna make a food blog.
Ciao.